everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add trust badges to Shopify store underneath the Buy Now button so that customers know that they are doing secure checkout. First of all, you need to sign into your Shopify store and then click on these apps tab here. After that, just click on this app and sales channel setting here and then click on the Shopify App Store button here. It will redirect you to the Shopify App Store. Now you need to search for the Trust Badges bear. This is the best app you can use for these trust badges and which is free to install in your Shopify store. So now click on this install button here. It will redirect us to the Shopify App Store and where we can click on this install button here. After this, the app will install to your Shopify store and redirect you to the apps dashboard here. Now, first of all, we need to enable these badges to your Shopify store, and for that, you need to click on this enable button here. Now, it will provide different options to customize this widget of badges. First option you will have to change this heading. So if you want to change the heading, you can just click on this tab and write the whatever heading you want to have. I'm okay with secure checkout width, so I will keep it same as it is. For the second option, you can change the font family of this heading. As you can see in the right side, once I hover over these font families, it reflects to the heading. For suppose I'm keeping this Jocelyn, so just need to click on here. Next option, we can align this heading to either left, right or center. For suppose I'm keeping it to the center, and also even we can increase this font size. As you can see, it reflects in the left side. Also, if you want to change the heading color, you can just click on this and change it as per your theme. For the next option, we can set the badges setting, that is the layout, either the mono as you can see here, original with the original settings, mono card, or the cards for the original one. So I will keep it to the cards here. Even you can set the alignment of the badges if you want to. Let's keep it center for now. For the next option, you can select the size for the desktop, which is extra small, small, large or medium. So let's suppose I'm keeping it to the medium here. Even if you want to change the size for the mobile version, you can select that as well. Let's keep it small for now. Also, if you want to give the margin, you can select here. And the next is the bar placement. By default, this bar will be displayed underneath the Buy Now button on the product page. But if you want to add this bar to a specific section or specific page, you can use this code in the files. If you need my assistance, just comment below in this video and I will guide you or to add these badges on the page. Next option you will get to select badges. Even if you want to add more cards, you can just click on that button and add the cards as per your choice. Once you're done, just click on this save button here. That's all. Now, if you go to the front end of your store by clicking on this eye icon here, and then go to the catalog section and click on any product page here. As you can see, we have these cards here underneath the Buy Now button. For suppose if I change this size of these cards to small and click on save button here. Now, once I refresh the page, you can see the size of these cards is set to small. That's all for the trust badges. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.